Hello guys, welcome to SRS Anime. And today we are going to review One Punch Man chapter 90. Yes, One Punch Man chapter 90 is out today and it is one of the fabulous chapter in One Punch Man. Yes, we saw the fight between the Metal Bat and Hero Hunter is continuous in this chapter, and the great news, just like the air hockey move of Metal Bat. Yes, actually Metal Bat with air hockey move he hit the Hero Hunter, and but after that he stopped it. We saw him on the third page, and then the finishing move of Metal Bat. Then the finishing move of Metal Bat in this chapter we saw the tornado, the savage tornado. That attack was so powerful. Even Hero Hunter say that if he hit by that attack, he will be in bad shape. But he perfectly dodged that attack and hit Metal Bat and finish him. So the Hero Hunter defeated Metal Bat. Now he defeated two S-class heroes. My god, Top Tank and the Metal Bat. What is going on? He want to end the Hero Association, and he is also the disciple of the Fang. He is also the disciple of the Fang, and he is killing or defeating the heroes. And he is actually then becomes the evil. He needs Saitama, but Saitama just kick him out in one slap. So he is not comparable to Saitama. But if we take other S-class superheroes, he can fight with other S-class superheroes and also can he defeat with. So now we have to see which which next S-class superhero he will fight. Now, also one thing, before fighting Hero Hunter, Metal Bat actually fought with the demon threat level Caterpillar. Yes, and after that he fight Hero Hunter. So this will be so hard for Metal Bat to win in this battle. We saw in the last chapter the demon threat Caterpillars is destroying city, but there is only one S-class hero which fighting with Caterpillar. But now Metal Bat is defeated by Hero Hunter. So another S-class heroes or will be Saitama or Genos will be come there to fight with Caterpillar, and the Hero Hunter is already there. So things will get mess up. He will get another S-class hero to defeat. This is for today. Rating for today's chapter goes 10 out of 8. Because of the fight and the moves of Metal Bat, I give 8 point to this chapter. So now thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like.